Hi guys, I'm Crystal and this is
Dylan. Hi guys.
Hey, and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today I'm going to be telling a story about how I got a flat tire on the 405 freeway and what I did about it.
While you're driving for Uber.
While I was driving for Uber, I had...
So we're gonna, we'll get into the story, but yeah, before we do that, thank you guys so much for coming back. We're gonna do It's Crazy #GoneWrong story. So be on the lookout for that. Trigger warning, guys. #trigger warning. If you guys are not, suited for extreme, crazy content, click off this video.
Yeah.
But if you want it, stay tuned for that. Give the video a thumbs up before we get started for Crystal coming on the show. Yeah. And for me too, if you guys like either of us. And make sure to subscribe like always, guys. And if you want a sign-on bonus or guarantee when you sign up for Uber or Lyft, link in the description, guys. All right, without further ado, let's tell this story.
Okay, so it was Saturday night. I was leaving the Dodger game. By the way, the Dodgers won, so that was cool.
Yay.
But I decided to pick up some passengers on my way back to West LA. So if you guys don't know, Dodger Stadium is like somewhere around downtown LA. It's far out. So I picked up some passengers heading back to West LA, and I happened to get Uber Pool, and I picked up 3 passengers. So the first one, I dropped him off in downtown LA, no problem, and then started heading back even further west, and then all of a sudden I get a notification from my car that my tire is flat. I'm like, what the heck?
Can you feel it? Like, was it going like do 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 do? Like...
No, it was not doing that. So like, I'm like, is it really flat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it said, like my car shows like all the tires and like their air pressure, and so that one tire, it was on the passenger side,
back.
In the back tire, and it was flat. So I was like, what the heck? So I tried to like pull over.
Was it really trafficy, or were you going fast?
There was a lot of traffic. So like I was going a decent like speed. So I was going like maybe 65 miles per hour, but when I saw that, I started slowing down. So I started slowing down to like maybe 45, 35, and I put on my hazards light. I put on my hazards. And
wait, what did you tell your passengers? Or what did they, did they know what was going on?
The one in the driver's seat was like, did you just get a flat tire? And I said, yeah, I think I did. And he's like, yeah, I think I heard it pop.
Oh.
Like, I did not hear that. And so the guy in the back seat, he had some headphones on, so he was just like unaware of what I was doing, but he saw me put on my hazard lights, so then he took out his earphones and he's like, oh, did you just get a flat tire? What's going on? So I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I got a flat tire, I gotta pull over now. So I pulled over on the 405. I mean, there was no way I could.
If you guys don't know what the
exit.
405 is, it's a huge freeway.
It's the freeway of hell in LA.
Like what, 5-6 lanes?
Yeah,
like,
it's a large freeway.
People go 80 on
it's
there.
Like, people talk about it all the time. It's one of the busiest freeways in LA. So, yeah. So,
it goes to like Santa Monica, like to the beach, kind of, ish, right? No, that's like the 10. It goes to the LAX, to the airport, kind of.
So
trying to give people a perspective who don't live in LA.
Yeah, that's true.
You're just like 405. They're like, I don't know.
I don't know, what is that? So, oh, mom's calling.
Call you later, mom. I'll call her later.
So, yeah. So anyway, I pull over on the 405 freeway. It's pretty busy. There's a lot of traffic. Some of them were honking at me until I put on my hazard lights. I'm like, come on, can you see I have a flat tire? So pull over. My poor passengers, I had to cancel on them, obviously. And then for some reason, Uber did not automatically give them another driver. So they were like, do we request another driver or what? I'm like, I guess, I don't know.
Well, you just canceled them, right?
I had to cancel them, yeah. So I had to cancel their ride. And I put I hadn't an issue with my vehicle.
Yeah, they need to reorder one. That's how it works.
Yeah, but they should automatically get one. Okay.
That's not how it works.
So,
they have to reorder. They have to order like a new one.
So yeah, they got. They were
because the trip already started. If it hadn't started yet, then they would automatically get a new one.
Even though I canceled on them.
Yeah.
In the middle of the ride.
Yeah.
It's odd. Anyway, they had
Whatever.
to get another
That's just how
driver.
it works. But yeah.
All of their drivers kept on canceling on them because they couldn't find them.
Well, they're in the middle of the freeway.
I know, and they couldn't find them, first of all, and then second, they would text their driver like, we're on the 405 South, you know, right before this exit, and then drivers were like, nope, I'm not gonna stop.
You can't pull over in the middle of the freeway and pick up a passenger. Like,
So, well, what are they supposed to do?
I don't know. That's
one
crazy.
of the passengers, like, said the driver was like, are there any cops around? Like, why does it matter? Just pick me up. But, yeah, so finally a driver was brave enough to stop on the side of the road.
Did they call him and tell him?
They didn't call him. They just, like, text him.
That's crazy, though.
So the driver found them.
I wonder what I would do. What would you do if someone ordered a ride and say, hey, I'm on the side of the freeway, can you get me? Would you get them?
I would decline.
I don't know if I
Just
would.
kidding.
I
know.
probably would just cancel them. I don't know.
I know, that sucks because everybody was canceling them. And finally that brave driver picked them up. Well, picked one of them up, and then that guy was like, told the other guy, like, hey, you know what? If you want to just hop in the car with me, we can take you back to civilization, and then you can order an Uber there. And so...
Did you have a spare tire?
I had a spare tire, yes. I called AAA. They came out, they rescued me, they put on the spare tire, and then I was only like 3 miles from home, so I made it home safely.
Gotcha.
And yeah, so that's why you guys need roadside assistance with your insurance. Just have all bases covered, because you never know when that's gonna happen.
Yeah, definitely. AAA, there's a bunch. I think Uber Pro has that too.
Yeah.
Did you get a new tire yet?
Yes, the next day I went and got a new tire, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you
I couldn't get my tire patched because it was already warped, so
okay.
sometimes you can, if you get a nail in your tire.
Oh yeah, what was it? What did you...
It was a nail.
You hit a nail on the freeway.
I don't know if like the nail was already in my tire or what.
Probably like a construction truck, just like nails flying out, like
Maybe.
Popping everyone's tires.
Sucks. So
yeah,
so I had to pay for that out of my own pocket just because.
Uber doesn't pay for that, guys.
Yeah, Uber
if you're a new driver and you think Uber pays for it, ha, 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 ha. No, you're paying for that on your own unless you have a rental car, unless you do the rental program. That's the good thing about the rental programs, like Uber Fare, Lyft Express Drive. They cover all those costs, so it's a difference.
Should look into that.
Yeah.
I mean,
they give you a car, you pay. Uber Fare is like $175 a week that you pay for the car, but they cover all the maintenance.
And you don't need like, do you need your own insurance or what?
They give you insurance.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's actually really like, it's probably the best program right now for rental cars. Fare with Uber.
That is convenient because then if I did that, I wouldn't put miles on my own car.
Then you don't put any miles in your car.
Or no wear
depreciation. Yeah, your car doesn't depreciate. I'm trying to find an ad. I get ads. I took a screenshot of one of the ads the other day. Yeah, could look into it. But any pointers for anybody who breaks down in the middle of the freeway? What to do?
My pointers are have good insurance. And call them immediately to get your roadside assistance taken care of. If you don't know how to switch out a tire yourself, I don't, so.
Yeah, you should learn. I actually have a video on this channel. You should have watched it. How to put on a spare tire.
Don't you need like special tools and stuff?
Every car has them.
What?
Here's the ad for the rental program.
Oh yeah, okay.
Here you guys can see. I get these ads all the time. $185 a week plus tax. I don't know, it's all blurry, but whatever.
It's all blurry.
Yeah, all cars include insurance, warranty, and roadside assistance. Something to look into, guys.
I'm gonna look into that.
Yeah.
A little more.
I have some buddies who use that, so. All right.
Well, that's my story. And
let us know on a scale of 1 to 10 how hashtag gone wrong you thought that story was. How good of a story that was.
it happens.
But yeah, be ready for that, guys.
Deal with it.
Cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are the best. Get out there, make some money. Stay safe though, okay? Make sure to stay safe. Follow the safety tips.
See you guys later.
Any final words to all our viewers?
No.
Alright, like and subscribe. Bye.